Hello and welcome to the series of videos all about fractions. My name's Sharon Grimshaw and I'm the Homework Fairy Godmother. Today, it's all about how to find a fraction of a quantity. So let's get started. Yes, of course, I always have to have food involved. Look at this stack of cookies. You can stop drooling right now. The first thing we're going to do is count our cookies. How many cookies have we got? That's right, there's 10 cookies. Now I'm going to give you 3/5 of these cookies. You might see a fraction written like this, the number 3 with a line over the number 5, and sometimes you might see it in words. In words, there you go, that's 3/5. Okay, how are we going to work this out? Well, the first thing we're going to do is share the total amount of cookies into 5 groups. That's the denominator amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's share out those cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cookies. We have equal amounts on every plate. Each plate holds 1/5 of the number of cookies. But you're getting 3/5. That's the cookies that are on 3 plates. So how many cookies are you going to get? 6 cookies. Now you know how this works, let's look at it using mathematical terms. Imagine I've just given you 3/5 of our stack of 10 cookies. We have a 2-step process. The first step is we divide the original number of cookies by the denominator. Taking the result from that calculation, we multiply it by the numerator. Remember, the numerator is the number above the line, and the denominator is the one below the line. Don't worry, we'll go through this again. So we can work out 3/5 of 10 cookies using these 2 mathematical steps like this. Step 1, 10 divided by 5. That's the number of cookies we've got originally, 10, divided by the denominator, 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. We're going to use this result to find out the answer. So step 2, 2 multiplied by 3. That's the result from our first step multiplied by the numerator. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 cookies. Hang on a second. That means you get more cookies than me. Hey, never said I wasn't generous. 3/5 of our 10 cookies are 6 cookies. Those are your 6 cookies. I'm getting what's left. I'm only getting 4. Didn't think that one through, did I? Okay, now it's your turn. Can you work out 3/4 of 20? Remember the 2-step process. Step 1, 20 divided by 4 is... Brilliant, it's 5. Now to work out 3/4, we've got to multiply this result by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So 3/4 of 20 is 15. Awesome work. All right, that was easy. Let's try a tougher one. Don't groan, we can do this. Can you work out 9/13 of 52? Step 1, 52 divided by 13. That's our number divided by our denominator. That's a tough one. 52 divided by 13 is 4. Now I'm sure you can work out the second step. 4 times 9, that's our numerator, is 36. So 9/13 of 52 is 36. You're doing brilliantly. Well done. Okay, let's try a word problem. I know these are the ones that can get confusing. Mikey has 250 Pokemon cards, but he wants to trade 2/5 of these with his friends. How many cards does he want to trade? Well, the first thing we've got to do is work out what is the most important information in this word problem for our calculation. The important information is the number of cards we've got originally, that's 250, and the amount of cards that he wants to trade, and that's 2/5. So the calculation we have to do is 2/5 of 250. Are you ready? This one's all on you. I'm going to give you 1 minute to work out 2/5 of 250. There's a red circle there. When it goes completely yellow, your time is up. Are you ready? Go! You're halfway through. 30 seconds left. If you've got the answer already, you're doing really, really well. Brilliant. Time's up. Did you remember the 2 steps? 250 divided by a denominator 5, that's 50. To work out 2/5, we've got to multiply our result from our first step, 50, times our numerator, 2. 50 times 2 is 100. So Mikey wants to trade 100 cards. Well done if you got it. Fantastic. Thanks ever so much for watching today. Next time we'll be talking all about equivalent fractions. My name's Sharon Grimshaw and I'm the Homework Fairy Godmother. Talk to you again soon.